Welcome to Cyber-Theo. Today, I'll show you how to use AirDrop to share files on your Apple devices quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, make sure both devices have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Press and hold the network settings card in the top left corner of the control center, then tap AirDrop. Choose Contacts Only or Everyone. On the device you want to share from, open the file you want to send. Tap the Share button, then select AirDrop. Choose the device you want to send the file to from the AirDrop list. Make sure the receiving device is visible and ready to accept the file. On the receiving device, tap Accept when the AirDrop prompt appears. The file will be saved to the appropriate app or location. And that's it. You've successfully used AirDrop to share files. For more quick tech tips, don't forget to like and subscribe to Cyber-Theo.